When looking at IQ, we also look at the Gestalt psychology, and this type of psychology looks at the whole of one individual's behavior versus every little component to it. And the reason this could be important when looking at how an individual's IQ is how their behavior is. Um, you want to look at how they are able to look and group things together. So we have to understand how human perception works in order to understand how they view things. And with the Gestalt psychology, they look at the organization of individuals, similarity, proximity of these individuals, and they want to introduce the idea that human perception is not just about seeing what is actually there around us, but more of what we are influenced by and our motives and expectations. So you can look at that and are the children motivated to go to school or are they expected to go to school? How do their behaviors in certain classes with certain subjects are versus others? Do they do well in certain subjects? Do they do well in no subjects? Like, and how are we able to help them? And looking at their IQ, do they need more assistance in a certain area? And this type of psychology helps to just really kind of dive in deep. However, it has lost its identity or its approach with independent schools in psychology, the Gestalt psychology, but it has have had a huge impact and influence in different types of other psychology, and that would also include Kurt Lewin and Kurt Goldstein, who are important contributions to psychology. And the whole idea about this type is that parts are play a role in the entire whole of like an individual's brain and social behavior and how we understand that type of behavior.